How's it going, everybody? So we stripped this block down to nothing. You can see this is the back part, then this was the exhaust, this is your front part, piston liners, all the internals are out, and the cylinder head is sitting right here with the cam in it. So today we're gonna send everything to our machine shop, let them do their thing. And that's the front cover, plate, spacer, all these parts. So now they're gonna do their thing. They're gonna machine it and check for the block flatness and do whatever is needed. So we'll resume on this thing when I have everything back and the glider in my shop. So stay tuned, guys, for more updates.